Hello everyone. So today I'm going to share a front-end developer roadmap which you can follow to become a better front-end developer in the year 2023. So let's start off with that. So the first technologies that you can learn while learning our website development are obviously HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So you need to learn about HTML5, then CSS3 for building basic web pages and then styling them. Then you need to learn about JavaScript to bring dynamism in your website. So learn about all of them, then you can learn about the various new features which are added to JavaScript because JavaScript is continuously evolving and each year there's new features which are added to it using ECMAScript versions. So try to understand about them and then you can start building basic websites using HTML, CSS3 and JavaScript. And you can also build various landing pages for various product websites using just these three technologies as well. Once you are thorough with HTML, CSS3 and JavaScript, you can move ahead and learn a framework. So you can learn about a framework or library like React.js, AngularJS or Vue.js. Then learn the overall ecosystem around these frameworks and how they work so that you are able to build single page applications with dynamism in them and then start building the websites using this framework. So once you are thorough with the frameworks, try to understand the various intricacies in the framework and how you can use them to build better websites. Once you're thorough with this one of those framework, then you can start learning about state management and various state management libraries which are available, and also how the routing occurs and how to optimize the website or the optimizations which are present in the framework itself for building the websites. Once you are thorough with that, then you can start learning about Node.js. Although Node.js is used for building backend APIs, it is still useful to learn about Node.js and how NPM packages works mainly, so that you are able to understand how the bundling occurs in various frameworks and how a bundle is shipped to the production. So you need to learn about Node.js to understand how the front-end tooling works and how the bundling occurs. And also you can write APIs which can be consumed by front-end applications. So you can become a better front-end developer as well as become a full stack developer as well. So try to understand about Node.js as well. Once you're done with Node.js, then you can move towards learning about website optimization. So you can use tools like PageSpeed Insights and Google Lighthouse to understand how your website is performing on the web and how much page speed is. And this can help you in reducing the page load time, which can help the users to load the website faster on even on slower networks, and you can reduce the bounce rate. Once you're thorough with that, then you can learn about SEO techniques to improve the page ranking of the website and how to use metadata to improve the crawling of the website and how to improve the ranking of the page on search engines. So try to understand that and then you can learn about website optimization in a better manner. Once you are done with that, then you can learn about responsive website designing. So you can learn about media queries and how to use them to build websites for mobile as well. So mobile solution needs to be handled on various websites so that users using mobile website can also use your website properly. So you need to learn about media queries. Once you are thorough with media queries, then you can pick up CSS frameworks like Bootstrap or Tailwind and understand how they can be used for responsive website designing. So try to understand how these frameworks work and then how to use these frameworks to build responsive websites. Once you are done with that, then learn about web accessibility and how you can build your websites to be able to be used by differently able people. Optimize your website for screen readers so that people with special needs can also learn, uh, learn or use your website effectively. And once you are done with the accessibility, then you can move towards learning about TypeScript. So TypeScript is a superset of JavaScript which can be used to catch errors faster, and it is used for static type checking in JavaScript itself. So this will able help you to catch errors in a better manner and not miss the errors which might be get shipped to production if TypeScript is not used. Nowadays, various projects are built from TypeScript itself, so TypeScript is getting popular a lot. So you need to learn about TypeScript and how it can be used to build projects. Once you are done with TypeScript, then you can learn about progressive web apps. So progressive web apps are basically apps which function like native Android apps, but they are basically websites with which we can add an icon to the user's home screen and user can use it directly from user's home screen. So websites can be cached onto the user's mobile phone. So you can learn about progressive web apps, then how service worker works and how the look of the website can be in a progressive web app. So try to understand that and learn about how to build progressive web apps as well, because popular companies are using progressive web apps to cater to the needs of users. So you need to understand about progressive web apps as well. Then you can learn about serverless architecture and how to build APIs using serverless architecture. This will help you in becoming a better full stack developer and will help you in writing APIs in a better manner. Once you're done with serverless architecture, then you can learn about GraphQL. So GraphQL is a way in which you can better communicate from front-end to back-end server using GraphQL queries. So you can understand how the data is fetched from the server using various GraphQL queries and how to use them to optimize the data usage and reduce the data usage or data fetching which is happening between the client side website and the server side. So learn about GraphQL as well. And once you are done with that, then you can call yourself a better front-end developer, which by which you can then start applying to various companies and obviously then work for a front-end developer position. So that was the overall roadmap which you can follow to build yourself, build your portfolio or build your career into front-end development. So that's it from my end for today. Thank you and have a nice day. Goodbye.